Hey there, friends. Have you ever tried a strange food combination that turned out surprisingly good? Today we're diving into a debate surrounding Coke and peanuts as a snack combo. Introducing Coke and peanuts, a weird pairing that has sparked curiosity and divided opinions. At first glance, the idea of mixing soda and nuts might seem bizarre. But hold on a second. Let's not dismiss it just yet. Imagine the initial skepticism and confusion that surrounded this unconventional duo. Now let's dive into the history behind Coke and peanuts trend. This quirky snack combo has roots in the Southern culture, where it's been enjoyed since about 1920. It has become an internet trend since 2018, 100 years later. I'm new to Georgia and their traditions, but I did a little digging and found out Coca was started 138 years ago in the city of Atlanta and still incorporated there. They have branches in many other countries around the world, but their roots are in Georgia. Peanut farming is also deeply rooted in Georgia, grown in over 70 counties in the state. About 4,000 farmers grow peanuts here, and Georgia provides over 45% of the peanuts grown in America today. But most important thing is the taste. I found the proper way to enjoy the snack is to drink a little Coke, make room in the bottle, and pour in some peanuts. Taking a sip of the mix gives a few peanuts with some soda. The contrast of sweet and salty flavors creates a unique taste experience that might surprise you. Besides the taste, there was a convenience of this combination. 100 years ago, farm workers in the fields were not able to wash their hands at break time, so this snack became known as having a farmer's Coke. In the world of culinary norms, trying new food combinations can lead to unexpected delights. It's all about breaking free from the usual and embracing the unconventional. Before we wrap up, we'd like to hear from you. What food pairings have you tried? Share your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more unique taste experiments. Thanks for watching, and remember, try something new with Georgia History Today.